Hello everyone. A while ago, I did a Tooltip Tuesday on the double corner radius end mill and all the enhancements done on this. And in today's episode of Tooltip Tuesday, I'll show you the other enhancements which was not mentioned in the tooltip. So if you look at the tool profile, I've got a lens end face type and an OD barrel shape with a form taper. So that's the kind of tool I've got here. Now the extra enhancements what we have done to this is the adding the chip breakers. So we've got chip breakers on the end face and the OD chip breaker. Now the OD chip breaker of course has an editor where you can see flute by flute, each flute where the location of the chip breaker is and how it is distributed. Whereas in the end face chip breaker, again you've got each flute and you can enter the number of chip breakers and the start distance of each of them, or you can actually mention it as a pitch, and there is a few other things you can do here. So this to the OD chip breaker and the end face chip breaker has been added to the barrel shape or the double corner radius end mill tool type, and you can see here from the simulation the end face chip breakers and the OD chip breakers, and we support all similar wheels to the 1v1, the double chamfer wheels, etc. So I hope this Tooltip Tuesday was useful to you and maybe enhancing your double corner radius end mill tool types.